Hi students, welcome to my channel. Today I am discussing about oligosaccharides. Oligo mean few. What is the few mean? That is 2 to 10 number of smaller units. In that, one of the type is disaccharides. In disaccharide, the most important examples are one is sucrose, maltose, lactose. So today I will discuss about this sucrose, maltose, lactose. In that, one sucrose molecular formula C12H22O11. It is also known as cane sugar. So in total world, sucrose is nearly 100 billion tons prepared per year. So many of the countries depends on sucrose. One of the country example is Cuba. Its economy is totally depends on cane sugar only, and it is also known as invert sugar. Why it is called invert sugar, we will discuss later. Sucrose, how it is prepared, it is mainly from the cane sugar. This is the preparation of cane sugar. It is also known as a table sugar also. Next, sucrose on acidic hydrolysis, it gives 1 mole of glucose, it is known as alpha D glucose, and 1 mole of beta D fructose. Based on this reaction, we concluded that it has a combination of glucose and fructose. That's why its structure should be, so this is a alpha D glucose structure, this is beta D fructose sugar. So now I represented individually alpha D glucose and beta D fructose. So alpha mean what is that? OH group is opposite to the cyclic oxygen, opposite is it, and beta mean what is that? OH should be same side to the cyclic oxygen. So it is beta D fructose, this alpha D glucose. Now these two water molecules and form a glycosidic bond. So already we discussed about the glycosidic bond. What is a glycosidic bond? Acetal formation is known as a glycosidic bond. So now if you observe in this structure, this anomeric carbon, this is called anomeric carbon. Here also this is called anomeric carbon. Now at this anomeric carbon, this side oxygen and this alkyl group, so OR form, oxygen and alkyl group, then this form RCOR, this is called acetal form. So this glucose having acetal form and this fructose having acetal form, or just we will check. This anomeric carbon having OR and this also having OR. That's why this is also having acetal form. Totally this is acetal form. There is no hemiacetal at anomeric carbon. That's why it do not show mutarotation and it do not form posazone, and it gives negative test of Tollens, Ferlin and Benedict reagent. Therefore, it is known as non-reducing sugar. Therefore, it is known as non-reducing sugar. So this is easy structure to write in examination. Many times it is asked in the state board level. So this easy representation. This is given in the textbook. So this is not there in the textbook. This is generally what we understand this is. So it has two glycosidic bonds. So this is C1 of alpha glycosidic bond. This is C2 of beta glycosidic bond. Why it is called C2 mean this is a numbering. If you give 1, this is a 2, this is a 3, this is a 4, this is a 5, 6. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is a 6. So this C1 alpha glycosidic linkage, this is C2 beta glycosidic linkage. This is a very important for competitive exam. In sucrose, what type of linkage will be there? That is alpha, C1 of alpha glucose and C2 of beta fructose. This is a glycosidic linkage, most important competitive exam purpose. Now, alpha form of D-glucose as it is there. Now, this fructose is somewhat differently represented here. Now, keep in mind, before that, what is there here? Beta form in OH should be same side to the oxygen. Now, we have to consider here not appearing on the same side. Now, if you consider same side, then see here OH is same side to this cyclic oxygen. Then this third carbon OH is also same side to the cyclic oxygen. That's it is down. If you consider same side to this cyclic oxygen, this also same side we have to consider because this is now down. Then this also should be down because both are in same direction. Then fourth position carbon OH is down. These are in down is same side meaning it should be opposite to the this OH. That's why it is up. Next CH2OH is same side to the oxygen mean then here it should be CH2OH same side to the this OH group because this is up when this is also up is there. That's why this type of representation is given in the textbook. So if you want to draw like this you can clearly understand these are now same side meaning it should be opposite to the remaining OH group. This is the most important how to understand this textbook diagram. So the next one is if you hydrolyze this sucrose with the alpha D glucose is obtained by alpha glucosidase enzyme. So if sucrose is on hydrolysis with some enzyme, then getting the alpha D glucose with the alpha glycosidase enzyme, and if you hydrolyze this sucrose with the beta fructosidase enzyme, then we are getting beta D fructose. Based on this indicating that this is alpha form, this is a beta form. This is also one of the confirmation why sucrose gives the alpha and beta form. This is one of the most important point. And the next one, it has how many hydroxy group? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. On methylation, it gives octa-O-methyl methylation. That also it confirms that remaining OH are in glycosidic linkage. So competitive exam purpose very important word is C1 alpha linkage, C2 alpha beta linkage, and these are very important point. These are negative test. This is also negative test mean already given here, and it is non-reducing part. In our syllabus, only one of disaccharide is a non-reducing sugar. And I told you that sugar also, this sucrose also known as invert sugar. This sucrose specific rotation is plus 66.5 degree, and this glucose specific rotation is 52.7. This is plus, and its specific rotation is minus 92.4 degree. So sucrose when dissolved in water aqueous solution, its specific rotation is reached till minus 20, given in some books. In some books given it is minus 22. Then its specific rotation value changed from positive to minus 20 or minus 22. So its specific rotation is inverted. It means changed. Same observation is done in invertase enzyme. This invertase enzyme generally present in honeybees. So this type of observation done in honeybees, that's what is called invertase. It means invert sugar. This type of phenomenon occur in invertase enzyme. This plus 66.52 plus 52.7 and minus 92.4. If you subtract this value, then you will get minus value only. So it value changed from plus to minus. That's what is called invert sugar.